In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to make money as a music producer, 10K month strategy. By the end, you'll know how to use AI as a creative accelerator, not a crutch, and turn consistent output into real revenue. Before you touch any tool, get crystal clear on your producer identity, decide on your genre, define the vibe you want to be known for, choose your target audience, and map your long-term vision. AI performs best when your direction is specific, so anchor your brand first and let the tools serve that vision. This clarity will guide every creative and business decision that follows. Now use AI to create more music with consistency. Lean on AI MIDI generators, scalar or Captain style plugins, AI drum tools, and even chat-based chord ideas to spark quick drafts. The key is to move fast on ideas, then customize with your sound design, arrangement choices, and mix decisions. Release regularly on platforms like YouTube, BeatStars, and TikTok. More output equals more visibility, but always add your signature touch so your catalog builds a recognizable identity. Pair your sound with strong visual branding. Use image generation tools for beat covers, Canva-style AI for thumbnails and promos, and AI logo tools to craft a distinct mark. Choose a consistent color palette, a recognizable cover layout, and clean typography. Over time, people should identify your releases at a glance. Automate your content engine. Have AI draft Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, beat titles, hashtags, and email promos. Batch create 1 to 2 weeks of content in a single session and schedule it. Consistency builds authority, and authority drives sales. Create short-form videos supported by AI. Try making a beat in 30 seconds. AI versus human comparisons, loop breakdowns, or behind-the-scenes clips. Use AI to outline scripts, generate hook ideas, and brainstorm topics. Keep each video focused, add on-screen branding, and end with a clear call to action. Launch AI-assisted products. Build loop kits, MIDI packs, drum kits, presets, and beat bundles. Then use AI to write product descriptions, design cover art, and craft sales copy. The faster you package quality products, the more revenue streams you create. Elevate your client communication with AI. Draft professional emails, collaboration proposals, and responses to artist inquiries, and generate contract templates for review by a qualified professional. Clear messaging and fast turnaround make you memorable and trustworthy. Finally, own the label of an AI-enhanced producer. Present yourself as modern, innovative, and future-focused. This transparency attracts artists who want cutting-edge sound, and they're often the ones ready